Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add music in Inshot mobile application. So this is my Inshot video editor, and first of all I will select a video here. For example, I will allow this, and let's take that. I will just take this video and I will just click on OK, right? And I can just adjust my video depending upon my requirement, right? Once I have done, you will see that select one track to edit. So this is my track and I want to add a music. As you can see here, there's a lot of options. There's a one option of music here. And once I go to select and music, for example, if you want to add a music, just click on music, and these are some of the music. Just like how Instagram provide you the music, same way you can just also use into Inshot. So for example, if I just want to use any particular music, I can search for it, right? So this is a music. I'll just use this and I will click on copy, right? So here it's copied. By the way, you have to download it. So once I go and select here, this is a download option, so I can just download it, right? And I will, once download complete, I will click on use. Right now you can see here that the music is already added in my track, and I will just put here, you can just put it into below or upside, no worries. So for example, let's take here, right? And here video bay, and once it's done, I will just click on tick mark OK. And now when I play it, of course there will be a video in the background. So this is very easy. You have to just go and select the music option, and you can just add your particular music, or if you have any music in your phone, you can also use that into your Inshot. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.